Brazilian police said that they thwarted a bomb attack planned for the Lady Gaga concert on the Copacabana beach in the Rio de Janeiro on the Saturday. The civic police of the Rio de Janeiro state, in the coordination with the Justice Ministry, said that the suspect had recruited the participants to carry out attacks using the improvised explosive, and the plan was aimed at gaining the notoriety on the social media. Also, the person responsible for the plan and a teenager was also arrested, the police has said. Also, Lady Gaga's team said that they learned about the bomb threat only from the media reports the morning after the gig. Also, a crowd of more than 2 million people gathered for the concert, which was free to attend. Police said that the group that they planned had the attack and was also spreading hate speeches mainly against the children, adolescent and the LGBTQ+ community. The alleged mastermind was arrested for the illegal possession of the firearm in the southern state of the Rio Grande do Sul, while the teenager was detained for storing the child's pornography in the Rio. Also, those responsible with also promoting the radicalization of the teenager, including self-harm and the violent content in the form of belonging and challenge among the young youth. Also, 2 million people attend free Lady Gaga concert in Brazil. A spokesperson for the Lady Gaga told the Hollywood Reporters that we've learned about this alleged threat via the media reports this morning. Prior to and during the show, there were no known safety concerns nor any communication from the police or the authorities to Lady Gaga regarding any potential risk. The Justice Ministry said that the suspect has identified themselves as the Lady Gaga fans, also known widely as Little Monsters. Police issued such and search warrants across and the states of the Rio de Janeiro, Mato Grosso, Rio Grande do Sul and Sao Paulo, and the electronic devices and other materials have also been seized. Operation Fake Monster was launched following a tip-off from the Rio State Police Intelligence, which uncovered the online groups encouraging violence among the teenagers using coded language and extremist symbolism. The concert was paid by the city in the attempt to revitalize the Rio's economy, with expectation it could bring in $100 million. Also, in a massive security operation, 5,000 officers were deployed and attendees had to pass through the metal detectors. Drones and facial recognition cameras were also used by the police in the event. Lady Gaga, who last performed in Brazil in 2012, took the stage as part of a tour to promote her 8th album, that is Mayhem. Also, the singer wore the Brazilian themed costume for some of her acts, with the outfit inspired by the national football team. You waited for more than 10 years for me, an emotional Lady Gaga told the huge crowd holding out a Brazilian